Okay, assalamu alaikum guys. This is Abdul Mahamnoor again, who's back in action. Today's class will be calculations of mean, variance, and standard deviation. The last concept of statistics of Form 4, which is very much examinable by the way. Guys, these three they are very important because they will be there together in the paper. You see now the question will be carrying 10 marks, and in that 10 marks, remember, you'll be tested with different concepts of statistics, like the likes of mean, median, variance, standard deviation, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range, semi-interquartile range. All those things will be tested in the examination. So today I'll be taking you through these three, how to calculate mean, variance, and standard deviation. And this is the last concept of statistics knowledge in Form 4 for your information. Without wasting time, guys, let's go ahead and see the first example. Let's see example 1. We have our example 1 here. You are told in an agriculture research center, in an agriculture research center, comma, the length of a sample of 50 maize cobs were measured. Were measured and recorded. As shown in the frequency, distribution table below. So this is we have here length, then we have number of cobs, maize cobs. Then we have 8 to 10. We have 4 against that. It should be straight to this way, yeah? Just right here 4. Then 11 to 13. We have 7. Then we have also 14 to 16. We have against that we have 11. Then we have 17 to 19. We have 15 in front of that. Make sure you follow the line here. To avoid confusion, this is the case. To avoid confusion. This is the case. I know you have been confused by the stress of the upcoming KZAZ. Hey guys. Then we have 20 to 22. We have 8. Then we have 23 to 25. Then under that, we have what? We have 5 under that. So this is what's given. Let's close this table here. So from there you're told, look here. From there you're told question A. Let me come here, question A. You're told calculate. Let me write here. Calculate. Because the light is doing some kind of reflection there on top, so for you to see this thing right there, you are told question A, the mean. Then we have also question B. We have B, we have Roman 1 as the variance. variance. Then we have from two of that we have the standard deviation. The standard deviation. The standard deviation. That's one. Number two is saying the standard deviation for your information. And guys, this question is very, very easy. I hope you have the question. You are told in an agriculture research center, the length of a sample of 50 maize cobs were measured and recorded as shown in the figure below. As shown in the figure below. As shown in the frequency distribution table below. So this is what we normally call frequency distribution table, showing us the length in centimeter. Remember, this is in centimeter plus the number of cobs. Yeah, so this will be a frequency. Now, in such situation or scenario, it is very easy. By the way, the moment you see this one, my friends, the mean, then you must come up with what? With the fx, because you know that sum of any mean of any distribution without using the assumed mean is gotten as sum of fx divided by sum of f. So without wasting time, this table we are going to extend it, create another 3 columns. Let's come to the solution here. Let's say we have length in centimeter followed by number of cobs, which is f. Then followed by, we are going to write here midpoint. Midpoint. So our midpoint will be x this time. Don't forget, because the moment you have grouped data, you cannot take this one as x value, because you need to get the midpoint. So our midpoint will be x. Okay. Then we will have fx. So far we are told to get mean, we must have what? Fx. Then we will have the last fx squared. Fx squared. So this is how we are going to calculate things. Look here. This is how we are going to calculate things. Okay? This is how we are going to calculate things here. To start with, we are going to write 8 to 10. 8 to 10, then we have 11 to 13. Then we have 14 to 16. Then we have 17 to 19. Just understand this thing, brothers and sisters. Then we have 20 to 22. 20 to 22. 20 to 22. Then after that we have 23 to 25. 23 to 25. Then finish this thing. Okay? So now this is very easy. Let's get, we know that this is 4, 7, 11, 15, 8, then 5. 8, then 5. Okay? Then our midpoint will be this plus this. 8 plus 10 is what? 18 divided by 2, 9. Then 11 plus 13 is 24 divided by 2 is 12. Hopefully this will be 15. Then this will be 18. No. So add this to here. That's 6 divided by 2, 18. 18. Then add this to 42. Divided by 2 is 21. Then we have 23 plus 25 is 48 divided by 2, 24. So we have class intervals of 3. Can you see we have class intervals of 3? Then fx is this times this. F is here. Remember, this is f. Don't forget that. So let me write for you this thing very clear so you understand. We have number of what? Number of cups. Number of cups. Under that we have f. So fx means this times this, that's 6. This even does not require a calculator, can't you see? But the moment the moment we go ahead, of course you're going to see different or a variety of concepts where we are going to use a calculator. So this time is this what? 84. This time is this is 165 if I'm not wrong. 18 times 14 is 200, 18 times 15 is 270. 270. This times this 168. That's what? 21 times 8. So this times this is 120. 120. Just understand this. This is 120. Then we need to get fx squared. Fx squared. So we're going to say fx squared means f multiplied by x squared. So in this situation, you're going to say what is squared here is x. So 9 squared is what? 81. 81 times 4 is what? 324. Please understand this thing. Again, let me get the calculator. Just 1 second here. Let me get for us the calculator. We have fx squared, remember? So our x is this one. So we are going to say 12 squared times what? F. So we are going to say 12 squared times what? It's very useless. Okay? We are going to say we have here fx squared. So x squared, we are going to say 12 squared 144 times 7 will give us what? Multiplied by f. So that will give us 1008. 1008. Then the next one will be 15 squared times 11. So 15 squared times 11 will give you what? 2475. 2475. Just understand this thing. Then we'll have 18 squared is 324 times again 15. That will give us 4860. 4860. 4860. Then we will have 21 squared times 8. 21 squared times 8. That is 3528. 3528. Then we will have 24 squared, which is 576. 576 times 5. It will give us 2808. 880. My brothers, make sure you carry out the right calculation. We have fx squared, meaning f value multiplied by x squared. So in this situation, you're going to get sum of f. Sum of f. Sum of f is already given. It's here, 50. So the moment you add all these, it will be 50. Don't forget. Then let's get sum of fx. Sum of fx, because you're going to use this one. Sum of fx. Sum of fx will be that 6 plus 84 plus 165 plus 270 plus 168 plus 120. So that's 843. We will have 843 under that. 843. Let me confirm once more. 84 plus that 6 plus 165 plus 270 plus 168 plus 120. Yeah, 843. Let me also go and calculate. Let me also calculate this part, which is 324 plus 1008 plus 2475 plus 4860 plus 3528 plus 2880. So this will give us 15075. 15075. Now, the moment you have this table, accurate information here, the moment you have accurate calculations, accurate results from this one, the formula of getting mean, the variance, and the standard deviations are very, very easy, by the way. What matters is here the table, how you're going to view the table. Just understand. So let me have this part. Then we carry out the final calculations here. Okay? Let me have this part. Okay? Now we are told mean. Solution, we have mean. Mean is equal to sum of fx over sum of f. So in this situation, sum of fx is what? 843 divided by sum of f is what? Sum of f is 50. So that should give us how much? Let's see that. 843 divided by 50. That's 16 point. This will be 16.86 centimeter. And actually you write the unit here, centimeter. Okay, that will be our mean. So we have gotten our first mark. Okay, the other one is what? Variance. So B from 1, you are told to get the variance. Variance is gotten as sum of fx squared divided by sum of f is equal to minus sum of fx over sum of f in bracket squared. Remember, just understand, here we have sum fx squared divided by sum of f minus into bracket sum of fx over sum of f, close the bracket square. So all of them, they are there. So you're going to say our variance therefore is equal to sum of fx squared is what? 150.75 150.75 divided by sum of f, which is 50, minus sum of fx in bracket 843 divided by 50, then squared. So this will be, let me get the card. 15075 divided by 50. So that is 301.5 minus 843 divided by 50. That is this one. Then you square, just understand, yeah? You squared, answer squared. So that is 284.2596. So right, we are going to say 301.5 minus our last answer. That will give us what? That will give us, for your information, that will give us, let me go back once more, 843 divided by 50. Yeah, squared now. Yeah, exactly. So we'll have 301.5 minus the final answer. So that will give us a variance, therefore is equal to 17.204. That is the final answer for variance. Then we'll go to standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to the root of what? The root of variance. The root, or you can say this one into into root. You can also say the root of this one, the final answer. So standard deviation there, standard deviation is equal to root of the final answer, which is 17.204. Root our final answer, that will give us 4.1522. 4.1522. And that's how you are going to calculate variance and standard deviation plus mean without using Gaussian mean, guys. Guys, this is the final concept of statistics form 4. I hope you are digesting a simple procedure, well explained procedure, by the way. If you are form 4, make sure you concentrate a lot. Do this one, go to my family and do the questions. Any question or any challenge, make sure please you call this number 0716-014642 for actually helping you. Or you can leave your comment in our comment box there in our YouTube channel. Otherwise, I wish you the best. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. Never be greedy, friends. Never and ever be greedy. Share with your class who are suffering at home level currently in form 4s. Otherwise, I wish you the best.